Yeah, he probably won't. He's one of us.
What'd you get, big guy?
So I got the ribbon off, but it won't come out of this box.
Here, John.
Get Uncle John to help you.
Will you videotape it?
Say, Daddy, get it out of this box.
Here.
It's a talking
I tell you what,
vacation
I know you want to get it out of there, but why don't we open something else too?
No.
I mean, they make this adult proof.
You better. You're going to have to read how to do it. You think they have a book in it? Because it says on the front something.
Let's cut him.
No, don't cut the bow.
I was gonna say cut the straps for holding the toy in.
I'm glad you're cute, you know? There's a lot of trouble.
He's going to need the knife. Or is that tape? That's tape. Oh, it was hard, wasn't it?
So how many does it take to get one toy out of the box?
There's a big hook there.
Apparently it takes at least 2.
Yeah.
Those are yours too.
Ow. Ow. There you go, put your finger in it, thanks.
Jacob, it's taking so long.
There. For the love.
It also speaks Spanish.
No. Right.
Isn't that what we're doing?
So you know what? We're in America. We speak American.
Sneeze on me.
I just happen to read it on the box, that's all I'm saying.
It says habla español.
So I've seen a huge sergeant and bumper sticker that say, "Welcome to America. Now speak English or get out."
I mean, I support
Oh, for the
it.
love, Jacob. For the love. It's fine. Here. You can use it as a little pull tab.
He wants it off. Can't you get that off?
Son. Hey, look. You want to open this one? Who's this
Get
one
that.
from? Who's this from?
It says it on
Ah, there we go. That's from Granddaddy.
This is going to take a while.
Alright.
No, she's.
I'm not
I'll
stealing
give
your
her
toy.
Whoa! No way!
What is it?
His very first RC vehicle.
Cool. Thank you.
There you go.
There we go.
Here.
Now give it to her. Give it to her.
Thank you.
Thanks. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Tell you what, Granddad did such a good job with that one.
Boom.
Now push the button so it'll talk. Push
Battery's
that.
in?
Push that. Push that blue button. Look. Oh, it has an on and off switch. Let's see that.
Dave is smart.
I did it in the store. What's that? Ball? You can't just hit it.
You gotta whack it on the head.
Hat. Now what are these? Oh, a suitcase.
What the?
Swimsuit. We're going on vacation.
Wipe it.
What's this? Skis. Hey, what's that? You're making it do something.
He's giving it a brain fart.
It's our suitcase. Put
It's
it,
gonna take a long time to
load
go
our
through this.
suitcase. Other way. Other way.
Yeah.
That way. That's right.
Well,
Good
what's
boy.
about, right?
Huh?
Oh
What's
wait.
about?
Put our suitcase in.
Hey, look. You want another one? Open this one?
Where's that bag? Thanks.
All your stuff over there where you find it.
Here ain't good, man.
This thing's big.
I don't remember what a 2-year-old was. been so long.
He seems what?
Who's big to be saying?
He's very big. Doc said he was a lot bigger than normal.
What percentile?
98.
He was 97.
That's
be
just
nice.
when he's little. He's still little right now. They'll get a good feel for it when he gets, to be about, 8.
Yeah.
What's that? A whooping stick? Oh.
Tell Mom, one of the tellers at Redstone, her little 10-year-old plays Pee Wee football.
If you could only get them out of the cases,
So
the bottom.
there's a kid on the Pee Wee football team for the 8 to 10-year-old. Girl plays at Redstone. There's a 6'3", 250-pound 10-year-old. They have to take his birth certificate to every game and go, no, really,
Is
he's
he
10.
Mexican?
But it's too big to play. They won't
Mexicans don't get that big.
I know.
They
but
moved him up a
who was
class.
That big guy on the basketball last night, he was South American.
That's South American. That's not Mexican. Mexicans are like pigs.
Yeah.
Aztecs.
Except for that one in the longest yard.
What is it, Jacob? A
I'm
what?
trying, man.
They said they finally moved him up to the next age group, but he played in almost all their games that year.
What is it? You better get this paper up
So I
back
almost
here.
feel sorry for his parents. A kid gets mad, he'll flail at you.
I think being right in the face at least.
No, in the knee.
But the face can't take much more.
In the knee.
Alright, what's this? This is to Jacob from Debbie. Oh, there you go. Thank you. Thank you, Jacob. Here.
It's yours too.
Mine too. Whoa!
We're going to have to fix that.
Thank you.
What's that a book of?
Trucks.
All those windows open.
Look at the windows.
We discover.
So you say, find the dump truck.
How cool is
We'll have
that?
to show it.
Yeah, we'll have to sit down and actually go through it with him. You got all these toys to play with now, don't hey. You want to see your stocking? What's in here? I must think you need to start reading.
Your car said bye-bye.
You take them and just put them down. Just like that. Like, I know.
It's book.
Alright. It's a lot to suck up.
Put the big book of trucks.
So many trucks. That goes with, oh, it's in the stocking. Yeah, I think you have
We
to
don't know
read
why
it.
it makes that noise. It's been in my truck for about 2 weeks.
And it scared us one day. We
It's a
thought,
re-gift.
This is a re-gift?
Someone gave that to me.
Cars. See 'em?
It's a dart.
Oh, it's a dart?
Yeah.
Cool.
let me see that little car.
Say
Can
thank
I
you.
see it? Can I see
You're
it?
welcome.
Say one more time. Say thank you.
You trying to make a future Dodge fan?
I had it and I haven't played for it. Oh yeah.
Oh, we got one more.
Jacob.
Jacob, come here. Look what we got you. Look.
Put his hat on his head. It's his helmet.
Here's your hat.
No.
No, I don't like hats. What's this? Come here.
Unwrap it.
Come on. Let's unwrap it. Come here. Come here. Look. No, sir. Hey, look. Let's get this one.
Open.
Come here.
Take
Look.
the wrapper off.
Hey, look.
Hurry.
Look. Come on, help.
See what it
Open
is.
it up. Open it up.
What is it? make noise too?
Say, whoa! Look at that.
Somebody sit on it.
Let it sit on. No, that stays on there.
Let John sit on it.
Well,
No.
let John sit on.
You do want
Your
to.
face back.
You do want to survive the event.
Jacob, what is it?
Climb on, man. Climb on.
Can you say mine? It's Diego.
What is that?
Some cartoons.
Jacob.
Wow.
You like it?
Why is he looking at the camera?
Because he knows it's running. He poses for the camera now.
Oh. Put your feet on the pedal.
Put your feet on the pedal. There you go.
Whoa! He can do it!
Yeah, he can.
What?
I didn't think he could do it. I didn't think he was big enough to do it.
Steer. Yeah, I can do it, man.
You need a little space though. That's not a good space.
Cool,
You
huh?
need to go out in the storage room.
Oh,
That'd be a
yeah,
good
we'll take
space.
it downstairs.
Say thank you.
Wow.
What do you say, Jacob?
Say thank you. Hey. Tell Grandpa thank you. Tell him thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, it's worth it, isn't it? Take a good place on it.
Wow. Turn the handlebars.